Welcome to our channel Learn with Siraj. Hello, this is Siraj. When do we use have? When do we use have? Have is used with pronouns I, you, we and they, while has is used with he, she and it. As a main verb, use have, has for the present tense and had for the past tense, as shown in these examples. I have done my homework. I have done my homework. I have walked to school. I have walked to school. They have cycled to work. They have cycled to work. We have told you the truth. We have told you the truth. Now let's turn to has. He has some homework. He has some homework. She has gone to school. She has gone to school. He has gone home. He has gone home. He has told you the truth. He has told you the truth. It has flown away. It has flown away. Now let's turn to had. He had some homework. He had some homework. She had to go home. She had to go home. He had gone to work. He had gone to work. They had told me the truth. They had told me the truth. It had flown away. It had flown away.
Why not call us on 01924 50 60 10 or WhatsApp us on 0795 1918 152.